This is a 6-year-old stud that they brought for me to try today for the sale, and he's built really good. He's got big boned horse. He's got good feet and just big stout horse, head heel horse that they have here. He's got really good clean straight legs. He's got a big hip on him. No blemishes as we can see. Straight feet, no club feet. Just got done loping the 6-year-old stud both ways. Picks up his leads both ways, great. Moves around like a real athletic horse. Broke really good in the face and likes to give the pressure with your legs, off leg pressure.
This is Kato, 6-year-old stallion. He's a head horse, heel horse. Real easy to head on, good in the box, leaves flat, and pulls cattle really good. Face is easy, just a real easy horse to rope on and do your job.
I just got done heeling a few on him. He was pretty good in the box. He needs a little more of an intermediate rider when it comes to the heeling. Still pretty green on the heel side. Tracks the cow really good. Was pretty user friendly. Just fun horse to rope on, big, stout. Takes the jerk pretty good. And just overall good horse, well-minded.